Hello Tina, Steve Sinclair. Quick tutorial on how to put in breaks so that they will stop doing your page numbers. One thing to note, I have a document here and I'm just increasing the size of the page numbers down at the bottom so you can see them a little easier. I have a page 1 down here, page 2, and if you want to then create a page that's not going to be numbered, the best way to do that is with a section break. And so that's under page layout. You can go down to breaks, and then you want to go down to new page, and that'll give you a section break. And basically, you want to create a section where you don't have page numbers. So if you have a document, for example, and it's going to be, which I'm going to show you the example of here, where you have a center page that doesn't have numbering on it, you basically want to create 3 sections. One section for all your pages previous to the one that's not numbered, the middle page, the page that's not numbered, and then the section for the rest of them so they can continue numbering. So we have 3 different numbering situations there, 3 different sections. So I'm going to insert, I'm going to go to my location here, insert a section break, next page section break, and then put in some more text in here, and then put in another section break. So now I have my 3 sections, and I can kind of see those if I go into, right now they all have the same numbering, it's 1 through 4. If I go into the footer, I have sections 1, which is page 1 and 2, section 2, which is page 3, and section 3, which is page 4. So now I can go into that footer, and you notice on top here, there is a link to previous. If I break that link, I click on that once I'm in that section and I break that link, now I can make adjustments to this page separate from everything else. And so I can go in and I can then delete that footer, delete that page number, and it's gone. You notice it's gone from both 3 and 4. So I can go back and I can go in, sections 2 and section 3, which used to be page 3 and 4. I can go into that footer for section 3, also break that previous link as well, and then I can reinsert a new page number. So I'm going to go and put page numbers in, and this time I'm going to put them in differently just so you can see. I'm going to put this one in the center. The previous ones were on the left-hand side. So now I have page 1, page 2, nothing on page 3, and here I have a page 4. I'm going to make this a little bigger so it's easier to see. So now what I can do now is I can format that footer so it doesn't count that page numbers. So you go into the footer, you have section 2, page 3, section 3, page 4. Go to the header. When you're in the header and footer, go into the footer, go to the header and footer area, go to the design tab, and you'll see that there's a page number drop down. Go down to where it says format page numbers. Select that, and you'll see then you have the opportunity down here to change what it's starting at. So then I want this to start on 3, and then click OK. So now I basically have 4 pages, and that 3rd page is not numbered, and I continue on from there. The other option you can have, I'm going to open up another document here, is if you already have an existing 3 documents, you can go in and you can then put in and take out the existing page breaks and then put in section breaks instead. So this document has 3 pages. I'm going to find the page break for page 2 and then remove that and add a section break instead. So I can go to my home, go to the hide and show button. It shows me all the page breaks. Then I can then go in and I can either remove the page breaks and then put in the section breaks, or I can put the section breaks in and then remove the page breaks. It doesn't really matter in which order you do it. So I'll do one of each probably. Grab this page break, remove it, go back in to my page layout, and then do the steps I did before, which was go to the breaks, go down to new page, it creates a new page, and I have a new section. The other one over here, I'll do just the opposite. I will put in the break first, section break, and then I can find that page break, which is here, and then delete it. So now I have 2 section breaks, and you can see those there. Once again, if I go into the footer, you notice now I have 3 sections again. Page 1, section 1, page 2, section 2, and then page 3, section 3. And then it follows exactly how it did before, which is to go in, once again, go into that footer, select that footer in the bottom, that page number in the bottom. If I'm not on the header footer tab, click on that header footer tab, go to page numbers. I'm sorry, first of all you need to click the link to previous, turn that off for that one. And you can do the second one as well. Go to that third page, link to previous, turn that off. So now there are 3 separate ones with 3 separate linking, with 3 separate page number definitions. So I can go in there and I can change them, get rid of the one on page 2. It's gone. Page 3 is there. I can go in and I can reformat that then. So then it now starts, go down to page number, formatting, and have that start on page 2 instead. So now page 2, the physical page 2, is out of the counting mix. Hopefully that helps. If not, give me a call and I'll try to explain it. Talk to you later.